Grabe, pagpasok mo pa lang ay hindi mo ma-imagine na nasa Macau ka kasi para kang nasa Europe dito. Welcome to the one of the grandest and most luxurious hotels in Macau. Ito ang Grand Lisboa Palace. From the moment you enter ay mapapawaw ka na. Ang ganda ng details and every corner is Instagrammable. Ang laki ng aming room and this is a deluxe twin room. May pa-sofa, working desk, at syempre, ang cozy ng bed. Complete toiletries, bathrobes, disposable sleepers, separate toilet and shower area, coffee and tea making facilities, at may pa-complimentary cake pa sila para sa amin. Nag-book pala kami guys sa Klook, at kung mag-book din kayo, use the promo code EVERYTHINGKLOOK, at available din sila sa Agoda and use the promo code AGODAPASS para maka-discount. Kasama na sa booking ang breakfast buffet sa The Grand Buffet. At guys, hindi ito basta-basta breakfast kasi isa ito sa pinakamalaking breakfast buffet na aming na-try. From Chinese, Western, at international cuisine. At syempre, hindi pwedeng palampasin ang kanilang heated swimming pool na sobrang sarap mag-swimming at mag-relax. Meron din silang spa at gym. Ang overall rating namin dito ay 10/10 at ito na yata ang favorite hotel namin sa Macau kasi sobrang ganda ng kanilang service at may free shuttle pa papuntang ports pa Hong Kong. So yun lang guys, join our Facebook group for more Hong Kong and Macau travel tips and updates. Bye!